What you just saw in that video clip was me running my 150 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury outboard that I have on my SeaArk ProCat 200. And I tell you what, I am impressed with this motor. This 150 horsepower motor will push this boat as fast as 47 miles per hour. Although my motor's probably been sitting for a very long time, it's practically brand new. It has less than 50 hours on it. And the reason why I want to call this motor a workhorse of a motor, my buddy Milton Hill Bill has this exact motor probably built at the same time as mine. He has over 500 hours on his motor. Here is a bonus clip of his motor in action. Yeah. I tell you what, Mercury has come a long way since its two-stroke days. I am definitely impressed with this. This is just a plain Jane Mercury 150. It's not any of their specialized ones. It's just a plain motor. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Has Mercury corrected some of the problems they've had in the past? Are they now a really good outboard company? I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just impressed with this motor. And this video was just me trying something different. If you like it, please hit that thumbs up. And I definitely want to thank you for taking your time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it. Please be sure to check out other videos on my channel. I publish weekly fishing videos for your entertainment. And maybe you'll learn something too. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time.